Hello everybody, Dylan here. I wanted to show you this Silverstone SG13 build that I just recently finished. Don't mind the MSI stickers, I'll probably be taking those off. Just wanted to see how they looked. I don't really like them though. Anyways, so we'll get on to the specs. This has just 16 gigabytes of RAM, but that will be upgraded to 32 in the future. An i5-10400 CPU, a RTX 3060 Ti Founders Edition, and it's a MSI B560i Gaming Edge ITX motherboard. I also have a 120mm liquid cooler in there. The power supply is an EVGA 650 watt SFX unit. Sorry about that. Alright, so the cable management isn't the best, I know. I tried my best, but it's not perfect. So you can see here we got the RTX 3060 Ti. That's the Founders Edition, if you couldn't tell. Down here is the motherboard. It's a, like I said, B560i Gaming Edge. We got a 120mm Cooler Master 120ml power supply. So yeah, overall, this is actually a pretty decent case, I gotta say. Also, if you get the B560, you can actually overclock the memory with this 10400, which is pretty cool to me, because before I was using a B450 or B460 motherboard, and the max RAM speed on that was 2666, and you can see right in here I'm just running at a 3200, which is my memory's base clock speed. You can actually go past that, but just for stability reasons I wanted to keep it at a normal speed. So anyways, thanks for taking a look at my build, and if you have the SG13, comment down below and tell me how you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.